Okay, so here's a little more information on our contour lines and how quickly they can show you what you need to do as far as dirt work and retaining walls and what have you. Our 0 point was the deck of the porch up here. It's not going anywhere, so we've got quite a bit of differential between the 0 point and this -7 foot. But what we're looking at here is the differentials here. The driveway is 11, a little over 11 and a half. We got 7 foot here, 6 foot here. So we've got 4 foot and 5 foot height difference here. That's significant. We need a retaining wall in there. It's going to look pretty cool bringing a retaining wall in here anyway. If we were thinking about cutting this retaining wall down, these contour lines show this is the same height. This contour line running this way shows this is the same height. So this ground is flat running this direction, downhill running this direction, which is a good drainage pattern. That's what we want. We don't want to cut this down if we want to keep our water away from the retaining wall. We want to leave that as is. So that shows you right there, we need to leave this like it is, put a retaining wall in and go on about our business. The backside, we have drainage away from the backside. Plus, we don't have as much differential here. We've got a 3 foot different or so differential here between the dirt work here in our driveway. Plus, it's draining away. So we can cut this down, 10 foot here. That's just a foot difference there, 2 foot difference from here. So we have room to cut that down a foot or so and, virtually get away from a retaining wall there if we don't want to put one in. The driveway, of course, as it is right now, they'll change this, but it's flat. Mine 11.7 here and 11.7 here. That's perfectly flat. So that'll be changed. But that's a quick little snapshot of how quickly contour lines show you, what you need to do.